I think siguro most people know naman yung occasion, so pwede na yun. Honestly though, we also tried last night pero medyo na-late kami. And it's not within my power naman as governor to declare a holiday. So we decided na to just have it be a regular day. But siguro everyone knows naman it's Marcos Day. So in a way, may pagka-holiday din siya. Yun po, yung nasa tombstone niya, yun ang request niya. I think downstairs yata, di ba? Makikita niyo po that yun lang po ang gusto niya, to be known as a Filipino. Well, I think in light dun sa ineng, di ba? Gusto natin na medyo understated, di ba? Simple lang. And mas focus po kami sa giving back, no? Para community service rather than yung mga decor o yung mga fancy aspects, no? Gusto po namin kasi si Lola naman daw ganun din eh. Si Imelda lang yata ang Imeldific, diba? Lola was Provinciano through and through. So my mom tells me na he was very a simple man who had lofty dreams, no? Yeah, meron po. I think kanina pang umaga. So baka nga tapos na yata. Opo. 24 hours, okay. But I think they had a mass na rin, no? This morning. Doon po sa libingan. Kaya actually nandun po si Senator Amy.
Sir, meron yata tayo.
Opo, sa MMMH, sa Mariano Marcos Memorial Hospital. At dediretso po kami doon after po nito. Actually, pinanak lang po ako. So, bali newborn po ako kasi December 88 ako. 89 po siya namatay, diba? September, no? 89. So, halos 10 months, diba? 9 months. But hindi ko na-meet. But siguro kahit na-meet ko po, hindi ko maalala, di ba? Kasi talagang newborn lang po ako. And, but I remember my mom showed him a photo of me. And then I think may sinulat siyang letter kasi mahilig siya mag-handwrite, di ba, ng letter. At he wrote a letter to me. Kaya lang nawala. My mom lost it, so I think wala lang, just welcoming me to the world and yung best wishes. But sayang nga, nawala na nanay ko. I think Uncle Bong will be coming tomorrow. No, he'll be coming today. Si Senator pala yung tomorrow. Yeah. So he'll be joining, I think, at the mall, they said. Maybe this afternoon. Dun sa mga youth competition, di ba?